We're showing an animation about facet syndrome and facet pain, a common cause of low back pain. The lumbar spine is usually meant to flex and extend. Back pain that's worse on extension is usually related to the facet joints. You can visualize here the facet joint capsule, and when the facet joint becomes irritated, it can cause quite a lot of pain because the facet itself is very richly innervated. There's a lot of nerve endings at the facet joint. The animation is showing an irritated facet, and this can refer pain to the nearby nerves and will also cause degeneration in the facet joint itself. Chiropractic can usually help this type of pain by restoring healthy joint spaces with our chiropractic adjustments and reestablish a normal range of motion, which will decrease inflammation, decrease pain, and help the joint to heal.